Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. But if you are new here, hi, my name is Taylor. Thank you so much for joining me. In today's video, I will be trying out these semi-cured gel nail art stickers or decals from a company called Danni Toni Cosmetics. Now, I've never heard about these semi-cured gel decals before. I know about your regular nail decals. So therefore, when they reached out to me, I was both excited and intrigued to try this product out and to share it with you guys. This video is also sponsored by Danni Toni Cosmetics, so thank you guys so much for sponsoring today's video. So they went ahead and sent me over one of their Christmas gift boxes, and it did come in this really cute velvet keepsake box. Oh my gosh, I absolutely love the packaging. You guys know that I'm a sucker for good packaging, and it was even well packed on the inside. Everything was nice and secured. So I did go ahead and take everything out of the box, and let's run through each item that is included in this gift set. Now it does come with 4 of these white and black Danni Toni glazed gel nail boxes, and at the back of the box it does show you how to apply, what it contains, the ingredients, how to store it, and certain caution tips. Plus it shows you a picture of the nail art design that is inside of the package. So when you open this box up, it comes with 2 separate envelopes. So inside of this envelope, you have everything that you need to prep your nails. So you do have some prep pads, an orange wood stick, a small mini hand file, and this really cute tiny scissors. Also on the inside of that envelope, it shows you how to prep your natural nails. Now these little manicure prep kits are included in every single one of these boxes. So inside of the second envelope, it does come in this really black sealed vinyl case, and let me tell you, this is so sealed that nothing is going to penetrate through this, which is good because you don't want anything to finish cure these semi-cured gel nail art stickers. So I just went ahead and opened that up, and oh my gosh, so I really did enjoy opening each one of these packages up and just seeing what they look like. And trust me, the picture on the back didn't really do them justice. They're so vibrant and bright outside of the package. Like this one that I'm sharing with you guys right now is called Candy Cane. It is on a clear base, so therefore you are going to be seeing your nail plate through this. I'm not sure if you can go on top of your natural nails with a base color first, but if you guys are interested in finding that out, drop me a comment and I will definitely find out from the company and pin that answer in the comment section down below. Also inside of this box, you do get a 6-watt UV LED gel light, and this is one of those mini lights, and it was really nice of them to include a curing light. So you do have everything that you need if you're doing this on your natural nails to get a gel manicure at home. Now this is USB powered, so you're definitely going to need one of those USB blocks. However, this is not included in this package. I always have these lying around because I absolutely love these little lights. And it is controlled by this little button at the back of the light. So inside of this box you also get 4 of these Lilinco packagings. Now these are also the same glazed gel nails. Now I hope I said that name right, but at the back of it, it shows you the same instructions as the Danni Toni boxes. It does come with the same prep kit. However, inside of this kit you only get 21 of those glazed gel nails, whereas the white boxes do come with 28 pieces. So I'm not going to show you guys what the prep kit looks like. We already know what you get inside of it. Because it's a foil packaging, I actually thought the nails were in here, but no, this is your hand file as well as your orange wood stick. They are actually in this. In this one you do get some glitter. Oh my gosh, these glitters actually look like those, you know, those flash activated glitters. I absolutely love it. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. And let me tell you guys, like this design right here, This design was definitely one of my faves. It was so bright and I love the mix and match of the plaid and the plain. It was just so perfectly put together and I really love this design. I did use it on one of my clients and I will include a clip of what her nails look like at the end of this video. Here I'm just quickly running through each one of these semi-cured gel nail art stickers to share with you guys what patterns are included inside of the package that I did not use on any nails in today's video. And I absolutely love this one. Oh my gosh, this one is called Jingle Bells, guys. I thought I loved orange knit, but definitely when I saw Jingle Bells, I had to put it on. So on my nails, I am wearing the Kiara Sky Jelly Tips. These are their medium coffin. I did trim it down so these semi-cured stickers will fit on them. And all I'm going to do is take the hand file that is included in the prep kit and remove the shine off of these jelly tips. However, if you are doing these on your natural nails, you definitely need to prep. So the first step that I'm sharing with you guys is to push back my client's cuticles. This step is optional and it's not one of the steps that they included, but I like to do it. Another thing is that I'm taking the same hand file that is included in the prep kit and I'm just lightly giving her natural nails a shape. So now I'm taking the smoother side to the hand file and I'm just lightly removing the shine from my client's natural nail plate. I am not putting any pressure on that file. I'm very lightly going over her nail plate, constantly looking at it to make sure there are no shiny spots. Once all of that shine is completely gone, I'm going to take the cotton pad that is included in the prep kit. Now I did think that these were alcohol pads, however they were dry, so I just went ahead and wet it with my alcohol and scrub these nails nice and clean to remove all that dust, and that is all you have to do once you're applying these to your natural nails. And now I've finished taking the shine off of my nails and I just did the same thing. To be honest with you guys, the prep part of this is the hardest part. The application is so easy. So you do want to start by measuring these pre-cured gel decals up to your natural nail plate. Make sure that it fits from side to side. And because you're working with a clear, flexible base, it's very easy to wrap that around the nail to make sure that it's going to fit before you even take it off of that plastic back in to apply it onto your nail. So after measuring it up, there is an individual piece of clear square over each one of these decals. So you do want to go ahead and remove that before taking the decal off of the plastic back in. So once you take it off, you want to go ahead and apply that to the nail, and you do want to rub that decal into the nail to make sure that it is nice and secured. Now for me, it just wasn't straight, so I did go ahead and peel it up and straighten it out and then continuously keep pressing it with the glove. Now they did say to use that orange wood stick to do this part. I did try that, but I found that it was a little bit too rough on the decal and I was afraid that it would have torn it. So therefore I would have preferred maybe a silicone tool or something like that. For me, using the glove really did work in order to help these adhere to the nail. After I do that and everything is nice and secured, I'm just taking the scissors and I'm just going to trim off any of that excess decal. One thing that I've learned while applying these is that you do not want to go in at this step and file these decals. You want to actually cure it first and then file it. It will make filing and shaping these nails back so much easier rather than filing the gel decal while it has not been cured. Trust me, I've learned from my own mistakes. I did try to do that, but it really just continuously kept messing it up. So therefore, I want you guys to learn from my mistakes. I made the mistakes and I'm teaching you guys so that you don't have to make the same mistakes that I did. One thing that I noticed while applying these is they do have some give to them. Like for example, this black one was a little bit too short for the nail and I just lightly went in and stretched it, but not to stretch it out too much so that the Christmas tree looks deformed, but just enough so that it wraps perfectly around the nail and that nail art still looks really cute. I will not suggest stretching the ones with the lines on it very much, but you can also give those a little stretch. Just make sure if you're stretching the top, you do the exact same amount of stretch all the way down so that that line sort of straightens back out before you apply it to the nail. A really quick disclaimer, these are not for extra long or long nails, I will say medium to short nails or your natural nail plates. However, if Danny and Tony is listening, we would appreciate some for some long nails, please. Thank you very much. This will make our lives so much easier if we had these for longer nails.
Your hair get in the way, can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try really hard, but sometimes you fall. Yeah, sometimes you fall. Sometimes you fall. Precious cargo, be careful with my heart, oh. Say I'm not sensitive, but I can sense if it's right for me. Don't let your hair get in the way, can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try really hard, but sometimes you fall.
So for the last nail, I did want a plain red. However, they didn't have any bigger ones and I did want it to fit my middle finger. So I'm going to see how much stretch this really has. Now, as you guys can see, I am stretching it all the way down. It is a little bit sticky, but not like too sticky like a actual sticker. It does feel like a gel type of sticky, but I didn't stretch it enough, so therefore it didn't really fit the nail. So now I'm fitting it on one side and then pulling it to fit around the cuticle area. Now I don't suggest you do this, but I just wanted to see what would have happened. Bear in mind, it is going to make that gel decal a lot thinner and more transparent because the color is not going to be as opaque as you may want it to be. But in this case, it did work. It worked really well, actually. I was surprised to see how much give that it actually had. Yo, that was like one that could probably fit on my pinky nail, and I fit it on my middle finger. So now that I did trim off all the excess off of these, I am going to clear my desk and make sure that I move all the extra decals to the side because you don't want that light to cure that. And I'm going to put it under the lights and I'm going to cure my hand for 60 seconds. Now that my nails have been cured, I'm just taking the hand file that is included in the prep kit and I'm reshaping the side walls of these nails. I'm also using the rough side of the file to remove any of the excess decal at the free edge. Now once I was finished with this step, I did go ahead and remove all the excess dust. However, this step here is not one that I included in the steps, but after pressing the nail so many times, it sort of dulled it out. So I just went in with my no wipe gel top coat and glossed these back up. After doing this, I just popped it back into the lights and gave it a final cure for 1 minute. And that is all I have for you guys for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it and it was helpful and informative. I will definitely recommend these. Like, I have trendy sweater nails without touching my gel paints or even whipping out my nail art brushes. And it took me about 20 minutes to apply. Like, whoa. If I were hand painting these, it would have taken me way longer than 20 minutes. And of course, the final step is to always go in with your cuticle oil and rehydrate those cuticles. This just helps to make those nails pop even more, and a really nice rehydrated cuticle does make your manicure look complete. I will have a clip of the final result and how it all came together at the end of the video, as well as a clip of my client's nails. And I actually did that as a gel manicure, and it did take me like less than a half an hour to complete her nails, and that was it. So go ahead and drop me a comment in the comment section down below and tell me what you guys think about these semi-cured gel nail art decals. I would love to hear your thoughts on it. And if you are interested and intrigued like I was to try this product out, then check my description box below. I do have a link as well as my discount code, so you guys can go ahead and save yourself some money if you're interested in trying this product. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe, and turn your notifications on so that way you don't miss out whenever I post a new video. That is it for me. I hope you're having an amazing day or night, whatever time it is where you're watching from right now. As always, I would love for you guys to stay glamorous, be safe, and I'll see you soon.